Good morning, boys and girls. So today I told you we were going to do a science experiment. Some of you have maybe done this before, like a really long time ago if you were in my class last year, but a lot of you haven't done it before. So this is called the walking water experiment. We know water doesn't really have legs, it can't walk, but we're going to see what happens here. So I want you to think about what's going to happen and make a guess. That's called a hypothesis. And Rocket, I'm sorry you cannot be in the video today because I need my friends to see these glasses. So again, you're going to make a hypothesis about what you think is going to happen. I have 7 glasses here. I have some food coloring, and if you have food coloring, you can do this at home too. You don't need a whole lot. You're just going to do a couple drips. First one's going to be red. There's no water in this one, so I'm going to skip it. So the next one's going to be yellow. Looks kind of orange right now, but it will be yellow. I'm going to skip the empty glass, come to the next one with water. Put some blue in it. And I put about 1 cup or 8 ounces of water in each of the glasses that have water. And I'm also going to do red on the end. If you wanted, you could put them kind of in a circle and just do 6 glasses and only have 1 red, but I wanted you to be able to see it, so I put red on both ends. I'm going to take these paper towels now and put it between the glasses that have colored water and the empty glasses. Think about what might happen when a paper towel goes into water. Think about what happens when you maybe spill and use a towel to clean it up. Remember, when you're making a guess about what might happen, that's called a hypothesis. That's a really big word. So you're making your hypothesis about what you think is going to happen when we leave these glasses sit for just a little while. All right, while we're waiting on that, I'm going to tell you there's another weather worksheet today. Even though it's not winter, I'm going to have you do the snow worksheet. So remember to trace, color, and write that word snow on the bottom. All right, I also have some number worksheets for you today. Oh, silly Rocket, you can sit there, but don't touch those glasses. This one is a number worksheet where you cut out those numbers and you have to match them to the right number of ice cream cones. So you have to put the number 1 by the 1 ice cream cone picture. Just like that, match all those numbers. And I have one more number matching worksheet. This one's kind of the opposite. Instead of cutting out the numbers, you're going to cut out the pictures and glue them by the correct number. And you can color them too. They're kind of like marbles. So and Hero's joining us too. So if you find one that has 5 marbles, color it, cut it out, and glue it by the number 5. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for a while, think about what might happen, and in the next video, we will see the results, and you can see if your hypothesis was correct. So I will see you in the next video to show you what happened to our special science experiment. See you then.